Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have an open collaboration and it's called Clean My Space Kitchen Challenge, and that's an open invite and that's hosted by @Penny's Place. Now the co-host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Melissa, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody clean their space. Okay, so jumping into the video, I am cleaning this old china cabinet that was here when I rented this place, and it is old and it weighs a ton. So I'm going to start with cleaning out the bottom because I did already reach up on the top to clean up there. So that's a job all by itself. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And then for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me all along or for a while, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so this probably needs something a little bit more stronger than what I'm using, but we're going to start out with some furniture polish, spray one that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, at least to get this started, because this definitely needs some more work. Now, did you know that clicking that like button helps us YouTube creators to grow on YouTube? So just so you know, subscribing to the channel is totally free, and comment below because I would love to hear from you. almost done with the bottom here, so I think I'm going to move over and clean that glass. Okay, so even though I know this needs a little bit more work, I'm still going to show you the reveal because it's much better than what it looked like before. I want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for hosting this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.